Hi everyone. This is the predicted paper for Edexcel IGCSE Maths 1H. I'm going to go through the paper today, and I will upload the solutions onto a Zoom meeting on Sunday, the 11th of May at 5:30 p.m. UK time, and I'm going to um, have a link below for you to access that meeting. So if you'd like to join the solutions and the walk through the solutions, you can book your spot. It's going to cost you about £1 or £2 roughly, because obviously it's going to take my time. So without any further, I will go through the paper. I also have pasted a link for an exam book I have published, and you can purchase that from Amazon. I'll drop the link below for you to click. Okay, so here we go. So the question one, work out 3.40 divided by 0.51. Question two, work out the following and give your answer as a mixed fraction. 3 and 1 over 2 divided by 4 and 3 over 4 minus 3 and 2/3. Question 3. A cylinder has a volume of 300 pi centimeter cubes and a height of 12 centimeters. Work out the surface area of the cylinder in terms of pi. Question 4. Work out the mean mark of the following. So marks 20 to 50, frequency 6, 50 to 70, frequency 7, 70 to 80, frequency 4, 80 to 100, frequency 3. A village has 90 residents. This is question 5. A village has 90 residents. 80 of them have a washing machine. 80 of them have washing machines, and 50 of them have dishwashers. 5 do not have neither washing machine nor a dishwasher. Draw a Venn diagram for the above information. What is probability of having both? Question 6. A computer is £810 after a 10% discount. Work out the price of the computer before the discount. Question 7. A sugar cube has a length 1.5 centimeters. What is the mass of the sugar cube if the density is 1.8 grams per centimeter cubes? Okay. Question 8. F of x equals x squared minus 5x minus 1. Plot the graph of y equals fx for x values between -2 and 4. And in part 2, use your graph to solve the equation x squared minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Work out the value of an exterior angle of a nonagon. That's question 9. Question 10, simplify the following fully. Part I, 2x cubed y to the 5 times 9x to the 6 y to the minus 2. Part 2, 4a to the 5 b to the 7 all to the cube. Question 11. A bag has 8 apples, 3 are red and the rest are green. Andrew picked 2 apples. Part I, draw a tree diagram to represent all possible outcomes. Part 2, work out the probability of picking at least one red apple. Question 12. P is directly proportional to Q squared. When P is 180, Q is 6. Work out the values of Q when P is 80. Question 13. Solve the equation. Solve the following equation. 25 to the power x times 5 to the power x plus 4 equals 125. Question 14. The line L1 has equation 12y minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. The line L2 is perpendicular to L1 and passes through the origin. Work out the equation of the line L2. Two lines intersect at the point P. Part 2. Work out the coordinates of the point P. A cube has length x centimeters. A cuboid has length, should be 12 centimeters. So cuboid has length 12 centimeters, width 6 centimeters, and height 3 centimeters. Their volumes are equal. Dave says that their surface areas are also equal. Is Dave correct? Show evidence for your answer. Okay, just to correct, a cuboid has length 12 centimeters, okay? To just correct the typo there. Question 16. Make x the subject of the formula. y squared equals to 2x squared plus 5 over 3x squared minus 1. Question 17. There are red, blue, and yellow sweets in a bag. The ratio of red sweets to blue and yellow sweets is 1 to 2. The ratio of blue sweets to red and yellow sweets is 2 to 3. What is the ratio of red sweets to blue sweets to yellow sweets? Question 18. There are 5 different colored balls in a bag. Jane wants to pick 2 balls at random. How many different combinations are possible? Question 19. The functions f and g are such that f of x equals 2x minus 5, g of x equals 3x plus 1. Solve the equation f inverse of x equals to g of 1. Question 20. Prove that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. Question 21. Work out the size of the angle ACD, where AB is 13, BD is 12, and AC is 10. ABD is a right angle triangle, and ACD is a right angle triangle, and BC is a straight line. Question 22. Rationalize the following. 3 over root 7 minus 1 all over 3 over root 7 plus 1. Solve the following quadratic inequality. 5x squared minus 17x minus 12 greater than 0. So that's the paper, guys. So if you would like to join me with the walkthrough of the solutions on Sunday, the 11th of May at 5:30 p.m., please let me know in the comment section below, or just click the link and book your spot. I will try my best to do another time before the exam on Thursday, but I cannot promise because everyone has exams during the week. So I think what I'll do instead is I'll upload a paper 2 and do another walkthrough probably in 2 weeks' time. But so if you'd like to see the full solution for these 23 questions, please click on the link below, and also click on the link for the book I have published with 18 exam papers. Okay, thank you very much for watching.